Drill it. Let's go.
I'm not gonna drill it. This is your lip. I'll hold it for you.
You're gonna drill it, my boy.
Hell no. This is your lip.
Alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna power zoom it.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to our video. So right now we are actually trying to install this lip. This is for the FRS, and this is mine. I actually paint matched it to the Genesis, and then we are installing for Joseph his side skirts that he actually got today. Wow, they're okay. You can't really see. It's not that bad. So we're installing the side skirts. We'll see how it looks. We just came back from Lowe's. The camera did die, so I couldn't actually show you guys what we actually got, but we got some drill heads for the drill because we didn't have any drill heads. Because they are like perforated or whatever to drill them into your side skirt. I do have to fucking clean hella shit in the garage. Let me see. Is this the left or right side? Oh, it's the other side. Oh, wait, how does it even go? Oh, it's like this. Alright. My bad. Yeah.
Not the other way.
So, this is actually how it looks. You can move the camera up if you want. Yeah.
Damn.
Lift up the camera so you can see how it looks.
Damn.
So, this is actually how it's going to look. Flip the screen down so you can see it for yourself and you can see how it looks. It's pretty clean actually. I'm a little shit. You can go up. Come up to this view. This is actually how it's gonna look. It's pretty dope. It's a nice little add-on.
Just for now, until everything switches up.
Yeah. Yo. Brake. You turn it off. We put the car on the jacks. Now we're gonna start working on the lip.
Is this what he's talking about?
What?
Yeah, look at all the scrapes though.
Scrape God.
It's fucking horrible. Look at that right here.
What? You probably scrape a lot.
They scrape a lot. I don't give a fuck.
Shit. So this right here we have to take out. That's for that big part.
No, I'm thinking it's this right here. Yeah.
No, because this is just the screw. This is just the cap.
Yeah, that's what it's talking about.
Nah, bruh. Watch. Look at the lip. So if you add it.
Alright, lift it up.
What the fuck?
Just like that.
Oh, this one goes here, but you don't
Yeah, I
have
told
one.
you.
This one goes here. So right now we're trying the hard way, which is without taking out the bumper. But I'm pretty sure if we drill the middle first. So if we drill the middles just to line up, then everything else would line up because you're gonna for sure screw it in. You're gonna drill it in with the screws and they'll hold it in place. So you want to make sure these two are lined up because it looks like it's an extended lip. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully this all works out. Or else it's GG no re.
No re, man. Look at that gap right there.
Yeah, but once you drill it should be okay. You just gotta secure it with drills. And make sure it's the right hole. Remember, girls have 4th holes.
Drill it. Let's go.
I'm not gonna drill it. This is your lip. I'll hold it for you.
You're gonna drill it, my boy.
Hell no. This is your lip.
Alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna power zoom it. Let's go.
Nah, don't power zoom it.
Power zoom it. Let's go, my boy.
Alright, let's do this. Where's the drill? I'll hold it. There you go. Drop.
We gotta check that. Let's see.
Do you want my phone too for light?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You don't have to drill that many holes, but you gotta secure it for sure. I'm using blue tape just to line up the edges, the corners. So we'll see. Hopefully this holds. If it doesn't hold, this is a waste of blue tape.
It's not good. We're gonna use this for anything else.
Yeah, my lip. I still gotta paint that one side.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Hold up, my boy. Let me match it up first. Yo, stop moving it.
No.
Oh yeah, this tape is trash. It doesn't stick. Well, not to fucking plastic.
Fucking, I need a new pin. This one's all fucked up.
Just lining it up so it works. And it's not sticking because it doesn't stick to plastic. What a fail.
Yeah, I need a new pin. Fuck this.
Fuck this, just drill these in.
Fucking drill it.
Alright. That was a fail. These things actually only stick to metal. They do not stick to the plastic, so fuck. Now what? Hold up. Alright, remember to close the gap, so you have to get the inside one. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Alright, it's right there. All you. Drill straight.
Is it good?
Yeah, straight.
We Gucci.
That side's Gucci. But you have to push it down a little. So he's push it down a little and then get the other one.
Let's see. If I angle it a bit. You good? With it?
Hold up.
I'll just do the other one. And then
Yeah, that
there's
one.
a middle one right here. But I'll do the fuck, I gotta angle this too. So it doesn't.
Lit, it's hella flush, bro. Now we gotta just fix the edges. Look at that flush. Yee! Still gotta do the middle and the sides, and then we'll catch you guys at when the car gets down in a bit.
Yeah. Hey, hey. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Yeah. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land, had me out.
We actually just tried to fitting the side skirts onto the FRS, and it actually did not fit as flush as we thought. On either side, if we try to make the front side or this is the back side more flush than the other, you're still missing like a thumb or like a finger's width of space, so it's pretty bad. So he was saying that he should just scrap it, but I was like, oh nah, wait, I got an idea. Let's try putting it on the Genesis. So we tried putting it on the Genesis. Well, look at there's a big ass difference. This is a fucking shoe length worth now. Look at that, like, it definitely won't fit. So we're just saying forget it. He's probably gonna return them, and we'll see how the car looks now with the lip. So I'm gonna have him reverse his car in a bit. Ooh. You need to go. You need to get coils. You need to get coils, my boy. Damn! What's that new lip? What that lip do? Oh, what that mouth do?
Wait.
Like an extended lip. What the f is this? What the hell, man? What you do that for? Why you do that for?
Rip it off.
Why you do that for?
Finish it.
You need a goo gone.
Finish it.
Man, how you feel about it?
Not bad.
Actually looks pretty clean.
I just got over it.
Hell yeah, you need coils. Come on, my boy. You got a tuck. All right, I'll give you, before you break this lip, I'll give you 3 days max. 3. Only because you're gonna hit that little fucking thing on the floor, the parking things, and you're gonna be like, ah, fuck it, I already parked there. Good luck, my boy. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Let's see if you scrape. That was close though.